In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Figma to Android Studio, Quick Figma Guide. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a design in Figma and generate Android-ready assets and layouts with a simple, streamlined process. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser. Make sure you're on the file that contains the design you want to export. Take a quick moment to confirm your frames are set correctly and named clearly, since frame and layer names often influence how assets are organized during export. Clean naming helps keep things straightforward once you're working in Android Studio. With your design open, look toward the top of the Figma interface for the Actions menu. This is the quick command area that lets you find tools and features without digging through multiple menus. Click Actions to bring up the command palette. Inside the Actions panel, click Plugins. You'll see a search bar where you can look up plugins by name. In that search bar, type Export Kit. When you see Export Kit appear in the results, select it and click Run. This opens the Export Kit interface right inside Figma, so you can generate platform-specific outputs based on your current design. Once Export Kit is open, locate the Android option. Click Android to set the target platform. This tells the plugin to format assets and structures in a way that aligns with Android development standards. After selecting Android, click Export. The plugin will process your current frames and layers, gather the assets, and prepare the output for Android use. While the export runs, keep an eye on any messages from the plugin. If a layer effect is too complex or an image needs rasterizing, the plugin may provide guidance. It's helpful to use solid naming for layers and components, avoid overly nested groups when possible, and ensure images intended for export are set as fills rather than effects. These small details can make the export cleaner and minimize post-processing later. When the export finishes, you'll have a set of files structured for Android. These typically include images and resources you can bring into your Android workflow. Remember, the goal is to get a strong starting point from your Figma design. You can then refine, style, and integrate the exported assets within your development environment as needed. That's the entire process. Open the Figma website, open your design, click Actions, go to Plugins, search for Export Kit, run it, choose Android, and click Export. Follow these steps, and you'll move from design to Android-ready output quickly and confidently.